back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa.
Tram, are you happy, excited? Yes. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Look at me. Zealand, you like it?
This little tram you're riding in is not an Auckland tram. It was built in Melbourne, Australia in 1926 and it serviced in Melbourne streets until 1961. When the Melbourne tramways decided to get rid of the last of these little 4-metre trams that only seat 30 passengers and replace them with the much bigger trams. This tram came over here in 2011 to open this tramway and we've painted her up in the colours that Auckland trams were painted in during the 1930s. Well, we're now turning into our next tram stop in Goldie Street, a street named after William C. Goldie. Surround one of the oldest sporting grounds in Auckland. That of course is Victoria Park. What you might not know is that back in 1901 Victoria Park was a fishing lagoon for the Maori people. The tramway was supposed to close at the end of this month. Our tram shed on the left demolished to make way for the next apartments. But because of the building boom by flood here in Auckland, the builders have decided to wait another 2 years. So the tramway ended up going for another 2 years. Well, as we trudge around the loop, we share with you a little bit of the story of what was once the industrial centre of Auckland, now our newest inner-city suburb that we call Wynyard Quarter. It was the City Council-controlled organisation called Waterfront Auckland who had the job of transforming this industrial site into what you see today. Their work has now been continued on by Panuku, the City Council's development arm. They continue to bring new business to the area and refurbish 2 of the original buildings that were built here in 1926.
Yeah, you want to go? Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Go then, go. There's water? Yeah, I know you want to play. It's so cold, I know. So cold. I know. Go inside. Yeah, you want to go? You said you want to go inside. Yeah, go. Go. Enough. Don't go too deep. No, I don't want to come. No. I don't have clothes. We don't have a clothes. You can play.
No.
You realize? We don't have a clothes. No. Stop. Honey, stop. Milena, look at me. Milena.